Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, MANA, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, MANA, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial intelligence fashion and wearable tech in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by some of the most recognized fashion brands in the world, such as Tommy Hilfiger, Selfridges, Cavalli, Eli Saab, Vogue Arabia, GoPay and others, according to a new press release. MANA's creative director Sam Hamilton says that, while fashion isn't new to the metaverse, the demand for stylish digital clothes is booming. Fashion and haute couture are not new to the metaverse. Decentraland has been on the cutting edge with other on-chain metrics or indicators. To go all in or not. For Banker, the social volume spiked by 3,000% over the last 24 hours, indicating massive interest among investors at its press-time price level, $2.3. Other on-chain metrics also revealed that Bhutan Gultrums could be on the edge of a massive breakout. From December 2021, the 30-day social volume average for Bhutan Gultrums hovered mostly below 1. Alas, on 8 March, this volume spiked to 127, bringing the 30-day average to 6.63. This sudden spike could be a precursor to a massive surge in market value of Banker. Banker's price has dropped by roughly 80% in the last year from an all-time high of $9.369. While bearish as it may sound, this price action is the current breakdown was a bear trap. Currently, the MANA price exchanges hand at $2.38, with an intraday gain of 3.32%. Technical indicator the MANA price trading below the daily MA 20, 50, 100 and 200 maintains a bearish tendency. Moreover, the sellers have recently reclaimed the 200-day MA, providing an extra edge to short sellers. The super trend indicator maintains a negative bias in the daily time frame chart. Despite a lower low formation in price action, the RSI indicator slope maintains its low at 40%. This indicates weakness in selling momentum, bolstering buyers to wrest control from them. Resistance level, $2.83, $3.48 support level, $2.4, $2 in second use. Web3 hackers are getting smarter. Here's how to stay safe. The evolution of technology means that even the internet itself will continue to evolve. From Web 1.0 to Web 2.0, we are now just getting started on the next iteration of the internet, Web 3.0. But even in its development stages, Web 3 already has some security challenges that hackers are taking advantage of. Read on to hear about some of the latest Web3 hacking horror stories, and to learn how to stay safe in the coming Web 3.0 era. Web3 hacks are becoming more sophisticated, while the present or future breaches of Ontario securities law, not arising from the events described in the undertaking. The OSC said in a separate statement. Only 6 crypto exchanges approved so far by the OSC. So far, Ontario's security regulator has approved only 6 crypto exchanges to operate in the province, with all of them being local operators. Canada does not have a national securities regulator, with each province managing its own capital markets. The OSC is the country's largest, and also regulates the benchmark Toronto Stock Exchange. Binance is still allowed to operate in Canada's lost all his Ethereum, ETH, in what he called a social engineering scam, shows how Web3 scams are perpetrated. It started with a user called Hackshine who reached out to Thomas.eth on Discord, showing their interest in Arrow and offering to help. Hackshine then introduced Thomas to Lynn, who is said to be passionate about tolls and working on a metaverse project. After multiple exchanges, Lynn then mentioned that they launched their staking app and offered to send Thomas.eth 2 different non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Things then got tricky because while Thomas asked to have the NFT sent to his hot wallet, Lynn wanted to send it to his primary wallet. When Thomas asked to read through the contract before the NFT were sent to his main wallet, Lynn started getting pushy. Thomas then realized that the tokens he approved were not Armstrong ETH, but rather OV's ETH, and that on his main address, almost all of his ETH was sitting in OV. His saving grace was that he had opted to move the NFT to a new address. Perfect time to accumulate according to two on-chain indicators. What more is there to say? The 365-day market value to realized value (MVRV) model has been in the negative region for 9 months and is currently hovering around 57.51%. Since this indicator is used to assess the average profit loss of investors who purchase Bhutan Gultrams tokens over the past year, a negative value is a sign that the holders are underwater. A negative value below -10% indicates that short-term holders are at a loss. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. MANA Rate Prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. MANA Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, MANA is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.